Hello guys, this is Hard Reset Info and today I will show you how to make background black on Snapseed. To do so, you need to go to Tools, go to Curves. Now slide this dot all the way down and make sure you got neutral and you got RGB. Now save this. Now we view Edit, go to Curves. Now we click this button and here we need to go all the way down to 0 and try to color it as best as we can. It's okay. Now save this version and it's done. It's a little off, but you get the idea. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.